Hello everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to Bisset Study Abroad, your elite gateway to mastering global communication. If you are preparing to live, work, or study in South Korea, you quickly realize that traditional textbooks only teach you half the language. To truly connect with locals, you must look beyond grammar drills and unlock real-world cultural diplomacy. That is why we created this specialized Korean as a second language framework. Every single week, we break down the invisible social codes, daily survival mechanics, and conversational nuances you actually need on the streets of Seoul. No dry lectures, just smart, high-impact cultural blueprints delivered in under 60 seconds. Your journey to cultural fluency starts right here. Subscribe to Bisset Study Abroad and let's unlock the code together. Stay smart. See ya!